For this DIY, you'll need an old dupatta, a scale, tailor's chalk, measuring tape, scissors, a t-shirt of your size, decorative laces, and fabric glue. The first step is to take your t-shirt and measure the armhole and shoulder. Just follow the way I am showing you in the video. It is very easy to measure them. These measurements do not have to be 0% accurate. It can be a point here and there because it is an oversized shrug, so it won't really matter if the measurements are not exact. Take your dupatta and fold it into half. Place your fabric on any clean surface and make sure that the foldable line is on the marked area that has been shown. Now mark your armhole on one side of the fabric as shown in the video and add 4 inches more to your armhole. So the total measurement that you will be marking on the right side is armhole plus 4 inches. You have to repeat the same on the opposite side as well, that is on the left side. Now mark the center point of this whole fabric. Follow the steps that I'm showing you in the video and it will be very easy to get the center point of your dupatta. Now take your shoulder measurements and add 3 inches to it, and you need to mark this whole measurement, that is shoulder plus 3 inches measurement, in the center of the fabric the way that I'm showing you. Now you need to join these lines, that is from armhole to armhole and a straight line coming perpendicular from both the shoulder points. Mark 1 inches of seam and then cut the remaining area which has been marked with red. Now fold this whole fabric into half again and cut the fabric on the marked portion. Be very careful in this step because you need to cut just the top fabric of the dupatta. Do not cut both the layers of the dupatta. You need to cut just the top layer. Now you need to stitch your fabric on the white lines shown in the video. Now you need to hem all the sides of your shrug with the fabric glue in the same process I'm showing you in the video. Personally, I would suggest you to go for stitching rather than hemming it with the fabric glue. Because we are using a dupatta, you just need to hem the front slit which we had created. You can also use a 2.5 meter fabric if you don't want to use a dupatta, but then in that case you'll have to hem all the sides, all the edges of your shrug, that is the sleeve and the bottom hemline and the front slit. Now you need to take a decorative lace. I have taken a fringed border and stick it on your sleeves and the bottom hemline only. If you want, you can also stick it on the front slit as well. It totally depends on your style and how you want the shrug to look. If you don't get these kind of laces, then you can also use tassels and pom-poms or any kind of decorative items that you want to put on. I've tried to make this DIY as simple as possible, but you guys need to note that I have stitched all the sides and even the lace. I have not used fabric glue because fabric glues do not work on a long-term basis, and if you want a good quality shrug, then you'll have to stitch it. So guys, if you like this video, make sure that you like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I publish a new video. So that's it.